When a new group initially forms, its members are often afforded equal social status. Their position within the group's structure is the same, and all members are considered equal. As the group develops over time, some members gain power and thus social status over others. Then their status within the group plays a part in determining their roles, access to resources, and communication patterns. Our social status impacts how others treat us and our fellow group members. Some people place it at the top of their list of values and are highly motivated to achieve it. Interestingly, it takes just a few seconds for us to make a judgment about a person's social status. And we're remarkably accurate in our judgments. From an evolutionary standpoint, both social power and social status played an important role in the development and fall of civilizations. Now let's review signals of social status. A variety of factors influence our judgments, including verbal and nonverbal cues. For example, people might signal their social status with a firm handshake, steady eye contact, a serious smile, crossed arms, and a loud voice. They're more likely to initiate conversations, give orders, express confidence in themselves, interrupt others, and share their ideas quickly and openly. Social status is also signaled by situational cues, such as one's job title, the location of their office and parking space, the clothes they wear, and the vehicle they drive. We vary in our desire to achieve higher levels of social status. For instance, people who have a high need for power, and those who have high levels of political skill, are more likely to pursue it, often through leadership roles and promotions.